Open your ByBit app and on the home page select P2P trading. If you cannot see P2P trading here, click on more and you will see it under Buy Crypto. Click on it to bring you to this page. If you are buying in Nigeria, make sure that this currency section is set to NGN. If it is not, click on it and select NGN. But for those in other countries, you can select your own country's currency. Also make sure to select USDT in this section, since the crypto we want to buy is USDT. Click on this filter to set it up as well. Check the boxes that reads only verified advertisers and show only eligible ads. Leave the payment time limit as it is and then click on confirm. Now go ahead and check the sellers to select the one whose setup is within the limit of the amount of USDT you want to buy. For example, if you want to buy 5,000 Naira USDT, you can buy from this person with a limit of 4,500 to 5,800 Naira. I want to buy 10 USDT and this person right here has a limit setup that matches with what I want. Other details to look out for is to make sure that there is a green dot on the name icon, which tells you that the seller is online. The delivery transaction time is within 15 minutes and you can pay with bank transfer. Once all that is checked, go ahead and click on the green buy button. This person is selling 1 USDT for 1,553 Naira and 10 USDT will cost 15,530 Naira. Go ahead and enter the amount of USDT you want to buy. You can read the advertiser's term and click buy. Complete your payment within 15 minutes. The timer is already running up there. And down here, ByBit is letting me know that they have logged this person's assets and that I can go ahead and make payments with confidence. Go ahead and click pay now. Make sure that your account name is the same as the name you signed up on ByBit with. The account details will be shown below. Go ahead and copy the person's account number and make payment. Do not close this page, just minimize and go make your payment. Once you are through with the payment, come back to the page and click on payment completed. Then check these two boxes right here. Take a little time to read through everything that is written there and click confirm. This may pop up, close it if you are not interested and wait for your USDT. And the transaction is now completed. Once you get this message, you can now go back to the home page and your balance will be updated. If you click on assets, you will find the USDT that you have just bought in your funding wallet right there. Don't forget to like and share this video and also subscribe for more.